Hello and welcome back to MarineMax Georgia. My name is Quinn Seagraves and today we're going to be walking through this Tige Z3. This is a 24 model, so it is going to have all the redesign and remodels that this year came with. This will be the Z, so the bow is going to be a true V bow. This is going to be really great for skiing and still be able to do all of your wakeboarding and wake surfing needs. The Z3 is the most popular Tige ever produced. Up here in the bow, it is a true V bow, so you're going to have space for two people to lounge out. You'll have grab handles, cup holders, and some USB chargers. So we move back. We are going to have the power tower with the Audison 4D sound system, or mind you, 2D. So we have two tower speakers with the addition of extra wiring if you wanted to add another set. Here at the helm is the first of many updates for this year. So this year we've changed the wheel design. You still have the wings behind, but the biggest is your screen. It's going to be a horizontal screen versus a vertical. What this does is it gets that screen a little bit lower to give the driver more visibility out the bow, and also a new intuitive surf technology system. So it's going to be a nicer, refined screen with easy access to everything on the corners. Here in the cockpit of the boat, you will have plenty of seating. You do have your traditional U-shape with seat backs that will pop up. You have the swivel surf seat, so you can turn this around and put 4 to 5 people widthwise facing back. You'll have the stadium style seats in the back as well, so if you're in the cove and just want to hang out, you have those seats that will pop up, allow you to have some people sitting up here, a little bit lower, and then on the platform. So 3 levels of people. We'd love to show you this boat and talk about the Z3 with you, so give us a call to set up your appointment today.